Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce you to the latest innovation from Samsung, the Galaxy Ring. This smart ring is making waves in the tech world, and we're here to give you a rundown of all its amazing features. So, let's dive in. Let's start with the design. The Galaxy Ring is sleek and stylish with a durable metal body that's built to last. The ring comes in different sizes to fit different finger sizes, and it's surprisingly light. The display is a small, high-resolution touchscreen that shows you all the important information you need. One of the outstanding features of the Galaxy Ring is its advanced fitness tracking capabilities. It can track your daily activity, including steps taken, distance traveled, and calories burned. It also has a built-in heart rate monitor and can track your sleep patterns. The Galaxy Ring also keeps you connected with notifications from your phone. You can receive alerts for texts, emails, social media updates, and more. You can even reply to messages directly from the Ring using the built-in keyboard. Another handy feature of the Galaxy Ring is mobile payments. You can use the Ring to make payments at participating merchants, making it easy to leave your wallet behind. The Galaxy Ring has a long-lasting battery that lasts up to 5 days on a single charge. And when you do need to recharge it, it's quick and easy with wireless charging. The Galaxy Ring also has some extra features that make it stand out. It has a built-in microphone and speaker, so you can take calls and listen to music right from the Ring. It also has a feature called Find My Phone, which helps you locate your phone if you misplace it. The Galaxy Ring also has a range of health and wellness features, including stress tracking, meditation reminders, and personalized recommendations to improve your overall well-being. One of the best things about the Galaxy Ring is that it integrates seamlessly with other Samsung devices. You can use it to control your TV, adjust the temperature in your home, and even unlock your car door. That's it for our review of the Samsung Galaxy Ring. This smart ring is packed with features that make it a must-have for anyone looking to up their wearable game. With its sleek design, advanced fitness tracking, and handy notification features, it's a great addition to any tech enthusiast's collection. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.